Okay, so from last week we called this buy trade, but then it played out as we anticipated. That was last week. Last week is gone. This is this week. We are hoping to see what next week is going to give us. So let me check monthly. I'm still seeing bullishness. With the rate of bullishness I'm seeing, I want all of these highs to go. I want all of these highs to go. Okay, so if that would go, weekly reject weekly. So from the weekly time frame, weekly reject weekly from last week, close bullishly above. So we have a break to the upside. Daily time frame. Daily time frame already gave us a break of structure to the upside, which is very clear, V shape. We have that break of structure, most recent break to the upside. Yes. 4 hours. So we have a sweep, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Market came back, swept above, retraced again, swept this guy. So we have this sweep, and then we have this break. Overall, we have this break, right? On the other hand, we could actually see this guy too. We could see this sweep and then this break. So apparently, we are still bullish for the coming week. So we just have to look out for point of entry. I'm not going to even lie. I caught a buy from here. I got stopped out. I remember because I knew you did me one strong thing. I caught a buy from here because immediately I saw. So this was my reason for the buy, and that's why logic over pattern. It's all about logic. So immediately I saw on 4 hours, I saw this sweep. Market came back, swept this open close key level, closed above, gave us a V shape here. Inside of this V shape, we saw this candle, this leg that couldn't close above, right? So all of this, and below it was a V-shaped key level. Do you see it? V-shaped key level? Market tapped into it, sharp, started moving. Although if I was the regular 1 to 3 kind of person, I would have been in and out on this trade before that reversal. But then my trade uh appetite on this trade wouldn't allow me do the 1 to 3, 1 to 4 kind of thing. You see it. So if we're trading 1 to 3, we would have, you know, done a very clean job on this guy. A very, very clean job. Take our 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and then would have been done for the week. Right. So with just a 5 pips, most actually maybe 7. See 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Take it and then we are out. That's how majority of some people trade. People trade just 1 to 3, 1 to whatever, I can trade that way too, but in a little while, even a little while, I traded weeks to like 1 to this, 1 to that. I just try to maximize my trade sometimes. But then we are still bullish. So where where are we buying from? Uh, this is daily.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So on this daily, on this daily, I will. Well, don't, I would want to see a buy continuation from here. Why? Remember, logic over pattern. Yes, we have this is an A-shaped key level. Market tapped into it, closed below. Then this guy closed above, right? Then the day that followed after, The Wednesday that followed after tapped into it and then start swimming up. So I wouldn't want to use this guy. And the reason why am I looking at this guy? The reason why I'm looking at this guy is if we are still going to be bullish, this previous day market came close bullishly above it. And the day that was the last day, which was Friday, that formed for the week, did what? Closed inside of all of this bullish move. So what I would expect market to do, what I want to see in the coming week is that market will do some dramas, take our previous daily low, come into this open close key level, and then target this guy's our first area and
Mhm.
overall, this guy
Move on.
should go. This is what I'll be looking out for on GU for the coming week. So let's anticipate some buys on GU for next week. Yes, 1 hour time frame, right? Probably use this as an adjustment to this. Just some form of refinement. Nothing. I mean, to check. We have. Okay. All right. So I will just wait. I will just wait to see all of that happen. Then we can probably wait. Let's see if maybe there could be reasons where we could probably catch a sell from until this low is taken. Maybe. So this is the previous. This is a high, right? Let's use this. This is a high. This high got swept. Market came down, gave us a break of structure, broke to the downside. After breaking, you know, returned, gave us this high to this low. Market went back, gave us this high, gave us this high. But then this high couldn't take out this low. Did it take it out? This low could not be taken out. The market came back for it, took out this guy, and let me see. I want to see where it played out from, which was this A-shaped key level. Did he use this A-shaped key level? No, no. It was this open close. Yes, just that open close. Let me see. Maybe there is something more interesting. No. So price came, took out this high, and then finally took out this high was what was responsible for this low being taken out. And not just that low, this low as well being taken out. So if this guy could take out this low and this low and swept this previous high and swept this induced liquidity, it means that this high is strong. And if we are going to be able to, if we want to catch some sell into this place, we would not expect this guy to go out yet. So if this guy is a strong high, market has broken, closed above this guy, is a strong low on 4 hours. Let me see. 4 hours. Predicted sweep, broke, A-shaped key level has been used and go to the downside. Yeah, you can probably catch A-shaped key level and gold. Price came into it that rejected. Okay, let's see 1 hour. Mhm. Look at towards something more clearer. Cleaner. 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. I guess this is this A shape, this V shape is more cleaner on 30 minutes. So 30 minutes give us a clear sweep and a break A, B, C leg, right? So this guy here. So if possible, we could catch a sell from here to the downside to take this guy out, or maybe overall this guy, come into somewhere around this region, and then we'll have that expansion back to the upside. I don't know if that makes sense. Do we understand that? So hopefully, let's see. But then this, if we catch this sell, for me, I wouldn't be strong on this sell, but the sell is also worth it. That's it's because it's all about logic. It's not just we are not just doing it's logic. It's logic. It is worth it. It's all logic. It's a shape. Market really tap into that shape on 30 minutes. But then we have this open close that was used here. Yes. Inducement tapping to it, close below, engulfed. So this is the closest. Would expect so. Can actually catch a sell from here. And then to the downside. And from here, catch a buy back up to the upside to see all of this high go. So let's see what GU will offer us in the coming week. But I'm more on the bullish side, so uh, I don't know, but then I don't see myself catching this sell yet. So I'll probably just watch our market opens, just like we used to do. Let's watch our market will open and behave, and then we'll know how to position ourselves on the GBP USD trade. So uh, I think those are our key major peers, right? Key major peers. So a quick recap. We have checked the GBP USD, our gold trade. We have checked gold already. We are hoping to see some buys on gold. No, some funny momentum, the upside. Not just funny, amazing momentum to the upside on gold. We're hoping to catch some gold buys for next week. So let's see how that goes. Uh, yes. And then which other trade, which other asset again? We've looked at GBP, JPY. Like I said, I'm still in the buy, so it's just the same logic and the same pattern over and over again. Same logic, same pattern. Since we have we've got the buy from here, we also see all of this guy go and overall maybe to this guy. So let's see how far that goes. Yeah, I want to look at one particular pair, UJ, USDJPY, USDJPY. And mind you, for the people that trade correlating set pairs, I think in recent times, it's been a long while I stopped doing. I always want to analyze every trade because some people like maybe it is GBP, JPY, USD, JPY, GBP, JPY. They move their correlating pairs. So if This one is buying, the other one too would buy or should buy. It yes, of course, it's possible it can happen, but in some cases it doesn't happen. So it's just good when we analyze uh, each pair independently. Yes, independently, and then trade it independently. Not because GJ is buying, then we want to see UJ also buy. No. Okay, so what do we have on? What can we see? Let's go monthly. Okay, so I have I don't know why GJ is doing what he's doing, but then I am still bullish. I don't know. I'm still bullish on UJ. And my reason for bullishness is well, apparently UJ looks bearish because we have a break to the downside. This guy broke to the downside. So maybe we could see more sell. But then I'm hoping to see that sell happen from somewhere here. I'm intending to see this guy go out first, and then the market can then sell from this open close key level. Then we can catch all of these guys to the downside. But then we don't assume markets. We only, follow what we see. And following what I see in the recent time, this is what I can see. I could see a shape key level, and on monthly market taps into it and then is bullish, right? That's what I saw or I'm seeing on monthly. Let's see. Then weekly gave a break to the upside. Do you see that now? We have this break to the upside. We have this break to the upside. And then we have this guy also break up to the upside. And then on daily, what do we have? What do we have on daily? Daily is not looking too clear, right? Daily is not looking so clear. But then, because if we look at daily, we have this sweep and this break. Market came, closed below, went back up, pumped up, and then market came back, took out all of this guy into this open close, right? Tapped into it, went back up, giving us what again? The same thing, a sweep here, and then a break here. We will see that clearly on the line chart. See, sweep and a break, market broke to the upside. On giving us that again, market came back into this region. Doesn't look so clear. Let's see if there's something interpreted in that region on. Can you see now? You see, look at this guy. Well interpreted here. Gave us a clear sweep and a break, right? Market came back into, let me delete all of this. I always want to make the chart possibly clean as possible. Price came back into this, is the other block or breaker block or other block or so. That's the name. Came back into it and then pumped up. Gave us the same idea here again. If you look at this region, we can see it's not so, till you zoom it, you see a sweep and a break. This guy broke to the upside, close below, broke, and then it was like an ABC pattern. And price took out this low again, right? Took out that low, starting to it, and then engulfed to the upside. And now again, it's repeating the same pattern here. And what do we see? We see a sweep. We see a sweep, right? And then we see a break right here. And then market did what? Gave us this low, which has not been taken out yet. And inside of that low, we have this. So probably we can see price come into this region, set into that region to give us the buy, that we have been anticipating, give us that buy, and then, to the upside. So I'm still sort of, I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish on UJ. So for next week, hopefully we can catch some buys on UJ to the upside. Right. Some buys on UJ to the upside. Mhm. We should be level inducement. Catch all of this to the upside. So I think we have done uh most of the recap for next week. And then I just hope we all have a profitable week ahead. And of course, go back and study the market. Don't forget it's logic over pattern. Know the logic, trade the logic, and enjoy your profit. So we'll see you guys next week. Cheers. Mm.
All right, sir.